remember me? Me no recall. But them never make a call till them get a call. Man, I rise, them a fall. Do you remember me? No, I don't. Yo, where were you when my mother hungry? My yacht. Do you remember me? Me no recall. Yeah, pool party. And even the beach we have to reach. It's summertime. Pool party. And even the beach. Chef Blake have to reach. It's summertime. 90 degrees in the shade, turn up. Everybody a roll out the bike and the truck and the car on the beach. Yo, even my little walk foot tug them strolling.
I gotta watch my car now. I don't want the police give me a ticket over there.
You wanna go for a walk along the bird lake? Hey, be careful. You fall off in the water. You were right there close. You were close to the birds. Yep, nice scene. You know what it is. BlakeWrTv.
Like, share, and subscribe.
What you gonna say?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Who you wanna hear? Like, who you wanna holler out to? Thank you for watching what? BlakeWrTv.
Thank you for watching BlakeWrTv.
Remember to like.
Remember to like,
subscribe.
share, and subscribe.
Yeah, guys. I'm here in Georgetown with my little soldier. Hey, what's up? What you doing? Having a good time?
Yeah.
And do you like the birds? Okay, do you want to feed the birds?
No.
Do you want to touch one of the birds? Why not?
Because I'm scared of animals.
You're scared of animals. The birds are like, they are really harmless.
But they poop.
Huh?
But they poop.
They poop, yeah. Everybody poop. Including the birds, right? So, you want to see one of the birds? You want to hold one? Look, here's some birds over there. Look. Here's some birds. Look. See some birds over there? Look, here's some birds.
But they're using surface.
There's a lot of birds.
How do birds fly?
How's birds fly? They got wings. They fly with wings. See that? There's a lot of birds. Okay, let's go play with some of the birds. You have fun? Okay, we're gonna go back and find that car. You know what time it is? What's poppin'?